I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.
And Sahaja Kumbhaka is from asana 21 to 30, 40 to 42, and 94 to 102. And Sahaja Kumbhaka is also from Kumbhaka Paddhati. And it says that inhaling prana through the nose, carrying it along the kundalini, one should hold it comfortably off and on. This is Sahaja Kumbhaka, narrated by Sri Kritivasa, who is an incarnation of Shiva. So in this pramana, it's saying that all you need to do is inhale through the nose, carrying it along the kundalini, and holding it comfortably. So this is, again, very similar to Samana Kumbhaka, where you're just inhaling comfortably through the nose. And when you do that, hold, whenever you're feeling comfortably, hold your breath, and then that's it. So you're focusing, holding the breath, but the inhalation is visualizing the kundalini, the prana flowing up through the kundalini. Okay, so I always visualize this from the base of the spine, almost like I see it like a railroad track almost for me, where not this train, but this train of prana, this life force energy, you're drawing it up through the Muladhara chakra and pulling it up through the kundalini and up to the Sahasrara chakra, holding the breath comfortably. That's all it is. So inhaling, holding, and for as long as you feel comfortable, you're holding your breath. Okay, so with that, we'll practice this Sahaja Kumbhaka. Just be seated, make sure your head, neck, and spine is in a straight line, and I want you to just visualize, it could be a railroad track, a string, just visualize this energy drawing from outside, coming up through the Muladhara chakra, pulling it up through the kundalini as you're inhaling, holding the breath once it gets to the Sahasrara chakra, and comfortably hold your breath for a short period of time. There you go. And then you can slowly release, and that is Sahaja Kumbhaka. That's the second pranayama of the Pratama Vinyasa Krama.
Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.